What's up, everybody? Welcome to another super pumped video from Strategies for Biz, because we're talking about the 5 steps to start your first business. That's right, forget the 9-to-5 grind. We're going full-on entrepreneur mode. Now, I know what you're thinking. Starting a business sounds complicated. But, hold your horses. We've got you covered. We're breaking it down into 5 crazy easy steps. Even my grandma could follow. Seriously, whether you're a total beginner or you've dabbled in the business world before, these steps are going to be your secret weapons. We're talking actionable advice you can use right now. So, grab your notebooks and pens, or better yet, smash that like button and save this video because you're going to want to watch this again and again. Get ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur, because after this video, you'll be well on your way to building your dream business. Trust me, it's going to be epic. Step 1. First things first. Identify the right business idea. And honestly, the best place to start? Look no further than yourself. What are you passionate about? What gets you fired up? Maybe you're a total foodie like me, and you're always whipping up the most incredible smoothies. That right there could be your golden ticket. Or maybe you're a tech whiz who can fix any computer problem known to man. Boom, another amazing business idea. Now it's not enough to just love something. You've got to solve a problem people are actually willing to pay for. Think about it. Are people constantly asking you for your killer smoothie recipes? Do your neighbors beg you to fix their Wi-Fi? That's a good sign you're onto something. Pro tip: before you go all in, do your research. See what's trending, what people are searching for online. You can use tools like Google Trends to see what's hot and what's not. Remember, you want a business that's not only something you love, but something that's going to be in high demand or solve a problem. Step 2, validate your idea. Okay, you've got your awesome business idea. Now it's time to see if it holds water in the real world. Let's stick with the smoothie example. Before you go renting a storefront, why not test the waters with a little pop-up shop? Whip up your best blends, hit up a local farmer's market, and see what kind of response you get. The key here is to get feedback. Don't be afraid to ask people what they think. Did they love your tropical paradise smoothie? Would they pay $5 for it? Be open to suggestions, tweak your recipes, and see what resonates with people. Pro tip: take it a step further with pre-sales or some targeted ads on social media. Offer a discount for early birds and see if you get any bites. This is a great way to validate your idea and even start generating some revenue before you fully launch. So, your smoothie stand was a hit? People are going bananas for your Mango Madness blend? It's time to make this thing official. First up, choose a catchy business name that screams delicious smoothies. Let's say you go with Fresh Fuel Smoothies. I like it. Next, step 3. You gotta register your business, get necessary licenses or permits, get all the legal stuff sorted, and maybe even open a business bank account. Don't worry, it sounds more intimidating than it actually is. Step 4. Time to set up operations. Now comes the fun part. Building your business from the ground up. You'll need to find some awesome suppliers for your fruits, veggies, and all those secret ingredients that make your smoothies thebomb.com. Don't forget to set your prices strategically. You want to make a profit, right? Speaking of profit, let's talk about tools that can help you streamline your operations. Check out Square for easy payments, Canva for designing killer social media posts, and Wave for managing your finances. Pro tip: automate as much as you can. There are tons of apps and software out there that can handle tasks like scheduling appointments, sending invoices, and managing your inventory. Step 5. Market your business. All right, your smoothies are incredible. Your shop is looking sharp. Now it's time to get the word out. Create a brand that pops. Think bright colors, catchy slogans, and a logo that screams Fresh Fuel Smoothies. Social media is your best friend. Get on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, wherever your target audience hangs out. Post drool-worthy pictures of your smoothies, share customer testimonials, and maybe even run a contest or 2. Pro tip: don't underestimate the power of storytelling. Share your journey, let people connect with you and your passion for smoothies. Oh, and don't forget to offer an epic opening day promo, maybe a buy one get one free deal. Trust me, people won't be able to resist. There you have it, guys. 5 simple steps to turn your passion into a thriving business. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday, but the second best time is right now. So what are you waiting for? Go out there and make it happen. And hey, if you found this video helpful, do me a solid and smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome business advice. And share this video with your friends who are ready to become their own bosses. Let me know in the comments what business you're going to start. I'm seriously hyped to see what you guys come up with. Thank you for joining Powered by Strategies for Biz.